quiet. Okay? Hands up. For you, left face. You need to remember, while doing this activity. First, do not talk. Do not do unnecessary things. Second, do not hold your hand in front of you, the person in front of you. We need to minimize danger. Okay? We need to minimize casualties. So you need to hold your partner or hold the person in front of you always. Then three, patrol leader, make sure that someone is holding your back. Because if there is no one holding your back, then therefore your patrol is lost now. Okay? Then, now welcome to the next sense, which is the sense of touch. Okay? Now here's the first object. Stand straight. Left face. No. Move backwards. Okay, first object. You need to memorize, huh? You need to memorize. No talking. First, feel it. Do not smell it. Sense of touch me. Pass it to your right. Quiet, please. Second object. Fifth object. No talking. Oh, my man. Hands forward. No talking. No violent reaction. No violent reaction. No talking. No talking. No talking. No violent reaction. No talking. No talking. No violent reaction.